In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel NordVPN auto-renewal and request a refund. We're going to keep this simple and stress-free. First, we'll turn off auto-renewal in your account so you won't be charged again. Then we'll contact support to request a refund under the 30-day money-back guarantee. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to say, and what to expect. Start by logging into your Nord account using the same credentials you used to subscribe. Once you're in, head to the billing section. This is where Nord lists your active plan, your renewal date, and your payment details. Look for your active subscription and find the option labeled Manage or Cancel next to Auto Renewal. You're not removing your account, you're simply stopping future automatic charges. Go ahead and select Cancel Auto Renewal and confirm when prompted. You should receive an email confirmation right away. Keep that message for your records, as it's useful proof that renewal has been switched off and can help speed up support conversations. Next, open the NordVPN support page at support.nordvpn.com HCN-US. You're looking for the live chat option. Sometimes it's not visible immediately, so click into a relevant help article or two. The chat button often appears after you navigate through some support content. Live chat is usually the quickest path to a refund request. When you connect with an agent, be clear and concise. Tell them you'd like a refund under the 30-day money-back guarantee and that you've already turned off auto-renewal in your account. The agent may ask a couple of questions to verify your account, which is standard. Keep the tone polite and straightforward. Having that cancellation confirmation email handy can be helpful. In many cases, the agent will send you a direct link to complete the refund in your account. Open the link while you're still signed in and follow the on-screen prompts. If there's a short form, fill it out and submit it. That's it. Once you've completed those prompts, you've done everything required on your end. To wrap up, watch for confirmation emails about the auto-renewal cancellation and the refund request, and keep them somewhere you can find them later. If the live chat doesn't appear, try a different help article or refresh the page and look again. You've now turned off auto-renewal and requested your refund through the official channels, all in just a few minutes.